Okay, so today I have this wonderful little package from Prince, who it would appear is a Fremantle Dockers supporter. At least I'm getting strong hints there. Or maybe the guy at the post office was. Perhaps we'll never know. This, I believe, is going to be a challenge lock. And there is the key, all hidden. This lock is called Primus Tempus. Primus Tempus. And looks to be a fairly standard sort of mortise lock. It's got Primus Tempus engraved on the front and AT22 on the side of the Bible. And this is really straight out of the bag. I haven't actually put a pick anywhere near this as yet. So this might be a short video. It might be a long video. It might be embarrassing for either myself or the challenge lock maker. Such are such is the life of the challenge lock. That looks like I can get the 1 point. How big is this tensioner? It's a 1.13. Okay. Feels like it moves reasonably well in either direction. So we'll just start with clockwise. Oh, click there. That was a bit of a false set there. Oh, getting a few false sets coming out as soon as I touch the pins. So that suggests that we've got something like spools. There's counter rotation. Oh, and we're open immediately. Well, that was a little bit too fast. Let's lock it up and try back the other way. One, two, three, 4, 5, and we're open in the counterclockwise direction. Okay, didn't put up much of a challenge. Let's see if we can I reveal this key without ripping that tape? Apparently not. Tape's coming off. So it looks like a Schlag type keybow. That bitting, which you can see there, definitely not the most exciting bitting I've ever come across, but I'm going to be interested seeing the keys working very nicely. Alright, what did they try to do to me here? Lock, you will reveal your secrets. You will reveal your secrets when I finally get this clip off. Always fun, these. If there was a prize for the least enjoyable aspect of lock sport, it would surely be. Okay. Given that there is, I think this one is worth a bit of a shim. size. No. Extra slag flower. There we go. So, in terms of key pins, what have we got? One. Just dump them out and then show you. So 5 pins, each with what appears to be sort of serrations. And then we've got to have a look inside the Bible. It's jumped out. Sort of like a trampoline pin. And its spring reference is pretty standard. Jumpy things. Lost it's sprung out. It's a serrated pin. And its spring is similar, same as the previous one. And we've got ourselves sort of serrated pin there, and another fairly standard looking spring. I've got sort of a gin bottle arrangement there, and another spring. Sort of a cross between a spool and a gin bottle there. And another spring, and inside the core, can't see anything particularly that's been done inside there. And just checking the core again, doesn't appear to be any counter milling or anything like that. So we are essentially just dealing with, if you can see that any better, not really, try and show them to you. So pin 1 has 2 serrations, pin 2 has a sort of a gin bottle design, almost like a torpedo, as does pin 4, and then 3 has serrations, and pin 5 has some deep serrations on it. And then, yeah, so all of these have been modified. So certainly as a challenge lock, had this been submitted as someone's challenge lock for the belt system, this would definitely pass muster. And so yeah, Primus Tempus. Thanks Prince for sending it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.